Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll solve this question. So this question will be repeatedly asking in many of the competitive exams like railway exams and staff selection commission. So this is very interesting question. So I already done lot of videos on trigonometry. So this is one kind of those question I want to solve for your information. Okay, so if you have these kind of questions in your examinations, just try to follow this procedure. In first step, I taken like 90 minus 81 and 90 minus 63, and I paid up the all the tan and cot values, and later on I am dividing it as like cos by sine in terms of like that. And after that I am taking the LCM of in both the terms. After taking LCM, I am calculating things. Okay, so we have specific values for specific things. So after this, in numerator we can directly write it as 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, right? So after that I'm multiplying both numerator and denominator as with 2. Okay, so after this, like I'm just writing directly values for the specific terms. Okay, so we know the value of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Similarly, we have also value of sin 18 degrees. Sin 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Similarly, for cos 36 we have root 5 plus 1 by 4. If you substitute the values, we'll get the desired value we are looking for. Hope you like this interesting question. If you like this video, just share this video to your friends. That might be helpful for others.